We'll guide you through how to edit vertical video in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and create a new project. Once you're in, go to the Media tab to import your vertical video file. You can do this by clicking on the Import Media button or simply dragging your file into the media pool. Next, head to the Edit page by clicking on the Edit tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where the magic happens. Look for the Timeline panel and drag your vertical video from the media pool onto the timeline. Now, to make sure your project settings match the vertical orientation of your video, click on File at the top menu, then Project Settings. In the Project Settings window, go to the Timeline Format section. Here, you need to adjust the resolution to match your vertical video. For a standard vertical video, set the resolution to 1080 by 1920. Make sure the frame rate matches your video as well. Click Save to apply the changes. Your timeline should now reflect the vertical orientation. If you notice black bars on the sides, you might need to adjust the transform settings. With the video selected in the timeline, go to the Inspector panel on the right. Here you can adjust the position and zoom to ensure your video fits perfectly within the frame. You can also apply color grading, effects, or cuts just like you would with any other video. Once you're happy with the edits, it's time to export. Go to the Deliver page, found at the bottom of the screen. Choose your desired export settings, making sure the resolution and frame rate match your timeline settings. Finally, click Add to Render Queue, and then start render to export your edited vertical video. That's it, you're all set. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.